Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to reactivate a listing in Neighbor app. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get an extra $50 towards your first paycheck. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, tap on Log into an existing account. To log in, enter your registered phone number on the field provided. Then tap on Send Code. Once you receive the one-time code, enter it. Then tap on Done. Now that you're logged in, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the option that says Listings. At the upper right part of the screen, you will see a deactivated icon, beside the plus icon. Click on the deactivated icon. Here you will see your deactivated listings. Click on the listing you wish to reactivate. Once you're on this screen, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, you will see an option for Reactivate Listing. Tap on Reactivate Listing. That's how you reactivate a listing in Neighbor app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.